make your refrigerator colder, you just turn the temperature gauge up. So what most people don't realize is that each number on your dial represents about 2 degrees. And so the normal setting for a refrigerator thermostat, which is that what we call it, is in the middle. So if it goes from 1 to 9, 4 would be the normal temperature. So each number you raise it above 4 will make the refrigerator about 2 degrees colder. And vice versa, if you want to warm it, you would go down, let's say, to 3, and that would make it 2 degrees warmer. If you turn the refrigerator to the coldest setting and it's still not getting cold, then I would say that you might have another mechanical problem. There's so many different kinds of refrigerators out there today. It'd be really hard to pinpoint that particular repair, but I would suggest making sure it's cleaned. There's a coil usually underneath the refrigerator and has a fan under there. That coil has to be clean. Otherwise, the compressor and the condenser will overheat and it won't refrigerate. You could also have a refrigerant leak. The Freon could leak out and you could turn your thermostat up till doomsday and it's not going to get cold. You could have a bad compressor. There's several things that could cause a refrigerator not to get cold, even if you turn up the thermostat.